Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier with a 30L large dehumidification capacity is truly a game changer for maintaining a comfortable living environment, particularly in spaces up to 100 square meters. Its sleek design blends well into any bedroom or household setting while providing powerful moisture control. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive capacity. With the ability to extract up to 30 liters of moisture from the air each day, it effectively combats excess humidity that can lead to mold, mildew, and other allergens. This is particularly beneficial for those living in damp climates or for individuals with sensitivities to humidity-related issues. The operation of the unit is straightforward. It comes equipped with a user-friendly digital display that allows you to easily set your desired humidity level. Additionally, the built-in hygrometer accurately monitors the humidity in the room, ensuring optimal performance. The auto shutoff feature provides peace of mind by preventing overflow when the water tank is full, and the tank itself is easily removable for hassle-free emptying. Noise levels are another critical aspect, and this dehumidifier operates quietly, making it perfect for nighttime use in bedrooms. Many users have noted that it runs quietly enough to allow for uninterrupted sleep, which is a significant advantage over some competitors that can be quite loud. Energy efficiency is also a key consideration. This model is designed to consume minimal electricity, making it an economical choice for continuous use. The filter is washable, promoting easy maintenance and extending the life of the unit. In summary, the 30L dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. Its large capacity, user-friendly features, and quiet performance set it apart from other dehumidifiers on the market. Whether you're dealing with dampness in a basement or simply want to create a more comfortable bedroom atmosphere, this dehumidifier is a reliable solution that delivers on its promises.